How to remove volume limits on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Now scroll down unless you see sound and haptics option available there and simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom unless you see headphone safety option available there. And all you have to do is tap on the headphone safety. Once done so, in there you can see reduce loud sound option available. If it is toggle on, this feature limits headphone volume to protect your hearing. So you can simply toggle this switch off. You can also increase the limit by adjusting the decibel slider here if you don't want to turn it off entirely. Now go back to the settings again. Now here scroll down and tap on the screen time option available there. Inside screen time, scroll down and tap on the content and privacy restrictions, then toggle on the switch and scroll down and look for the volume limit option available there. If you see reduce loud sound option available under the volume limit, tap on it, then set it to allow changes, then go back and turn off the reduce loud sound as mentioned earlier. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.